warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Galuh Ratri Rahmadani. You can call me Galuh. I am from Fisheries and Marine Vocational High School. This time I want to show you how to operation AUTOCAD application in computer. Maybe many don't understand what is AUTOCAD application. Let's see the video. AUTOCAD is computer-aided design application that is used to design or compile models in 2D and 3D. Curious about how it works? The first step to take is, first, we prepare one set computer consisting of computer, keyboard, and mouse. Second, download the AUTOCAD application in the website. By the way, for this time, I am using AUTOCAD 2010 version. After we download, we are open the application and then we will try to make some lines, circle, and square. After opening the application, we select the tools with a picture of a box. Then click on the box file. After that, click on the object and add the size that will be made. And that's how the operation of the AUTOCAD application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye!